Managing a team of sales representatives across various regions requires identifying top performers, pinpointing areas for improvement, and ensuring that all sales targets are met. The challenge lies in making sure the insights drawn from your data are both accurate and actionable. With Copilot, you can analyze and critically assess your data, enabling you to make informed decisions for your team. In today's data-driven world, professionals increasingly rely on AI tools like Copilot to streamline tasks and generate insights. However, it's crucial to verify the accuracy of these tools' outputs. In this lesson, you'll take on the role of a sales manager, analyzing your team's performance with Copilot, while also learning the importance of validating its results to ensure reliability. By the end of this video, you will be able to analyze Copilot's task execution, including the accuracy of its output. Let's take a look at the data set we're going to work with. It includes sales data for various sales reps, the regions they operate in, and the total revenue generated over the past 4 quarters. In the final column, we have the total number of units sold over the year. Let's assume this company sells smart and versatile robot vacuum cleaners. As the sales manager, our task is to analyze the performance of these reps, identify the top performers, who's meeting their targets, who's falling short, and in which regions we identify the strongest performance. At the same time, we'll also be assessing Copilot's performance and comparing it to the traditional way of working in Excel. The first thing to do whenever you begin working with a new data set is to always scrutinize the data. Clean the data if necessary to ensure it is consistently formatted, as this removes many of the potential errors you could encounter and improves the accuracy and performance of Copilot. For example, if I ask Copilot to calculate the total sales for Q1, it gives me a result of 0, which is not true, as we can clearly identify revenue figures in the Q1 column. Upon closer inspection of the Q1 column, the data is not formatted correctly, so Excel is reading these values as words rather than numbers. Outside of Copilot, you can manually format your data by highlighting the range in columns E to I. And with the shortcut keys Ctrl and H, replace the commas with, and here you'll enter nothing, then select Replace All. Using the same shortcut, replace the dollar signs, and in the Replace With box, again enter nothing, and then select Replace All. And if you prefer, you can tell Copilot to format the sales figures to an accounting format so that the numbers are easier to read. Don't forget to hit Apply. Let's start by asking Copilot to give us a basic analysis. I'll type a simple request: calculate the percentage of the target achieved for each rep. Copilot quickly provides us with a summary. This includes a new column showing the percentage of targets achieved for each rep. This looks good, but as always with AI, the details are key. We need to validate that Copilot's analysis is accurate and therefore meaningful. Let's dig a little deeper. I'll manually calculate the percentage of the target met for the first rep. In column M, I'll enter the formula total sales divided by target sales. Then I'll format this to a percentage. Great! The calculations from Copilot match ours. That's a good sign that it's working as intended, but we're not quite done. Now let's ask Copilot to create a pivot table to analyze performance by region. Pivot tables summarize, analyze, and organize data for actionable insights. We'll type in the chat box, show the sum of total sales and average percentage of targets met, grouped by region. Once again, Copilot's done its job, but we still need to evaluate the result. Are the regions with higher sales really the ones performing better overall? And is this table helping us understand the full picture? We can cross-reference the summary table with a quick visual inspection of the raw data. By scanning through column I and column J, you might notice if there are outliers or if the data is skewed in any way. Everything looks consistent so far, but this brings us to an important point. Copilot is a powerful tool, but it's not infallible. Your industry experience and critical thinking are crucial in interpreting the results it provides. Where Copilot truly shines is in the automating tasks that would normally take us much longer to do manually. But as always, we need to double-check as AI is evolving daily. Throughout this video, we tackled the challenge of analyzing sales performance using Copilot while testing the performance of Copilot itself. We analyzed Copilot's ability to execute tasks that assisted in analyzing sales performance. And we identified the importance of analyzing Copilot's output for accuracy in order to make necessary changes. As you move forward in your role, remember that while AI tools like Copilot can save you time and effort, they should never replace your judgment. Always take the time to verify the insights you receive, question their accuracy, and ensure they align with your business goals. By combining your expertise with Copilot's capabilities, you'll be well equipped to make informed strategic decisions that drive success.